Today I'm cooking a simple stir-fry baby French bean with taucu for dinner. It is simple, fast and very delicious. This recipe is for 4 to 5 servings. The ingredients needed are 250 grams of baby French bean, washed and cleaned, half tablespoon of tapioca flour, half tablespoon of sugar, which is optional, quarter teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of taucu or fermented soybeans paste. This is what it looks like. 1 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic, 2 tablespoons of garlic oil, and 125 ml of water. The full list of the ingredients is in the See More link. Add 25 ml of water with tapioca flour and mix until it has dissolved. Leave it aside. Next, cut the baby French bean. Remove the tip from both ends. And cut the bean around 1.5 to 2 inches in length, like this. Alright, these are the French beans that I have cut. Wash them one more time before cooking. Heat the pan, add in 2 tablespoons of garlic oil, and wait for about 1 minute for the oil to heat up. Add in the washed baby French bean. Stir for 1 minute or until the beans are well coated with garlic oil. Add in light soy sauce, sesame oil, sugar, taucu, and half of the crispy fried garlic. Stir for about 30 seconds or until the beans and seasoning are well combined. Add in 100 ml of water and stir. Cover the pan and allow to simmer for 2 minutes or until the gravy comes to a boil. After 2 minutes, the gravy is boiling. Stir to evenly cook it. After 2 minutes of simmering, the baby French bean will just nice and crunchy. Continue to simmer for another 2 more minutes if softer French beans are preferred. Now I can give it a taste. Yes, it is great. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it's already delicious. Add in the tapioca flour mix. Stir to thicken the gravy. Alright, it's perfect now. Switch off the heat. Let's dish out and serve. Garnish with crispy fried garlic. Wow, looks so perfect and yummy. Let's eat. So great, it is tasty and very crunchy. The gravy is delicious and flavorful. This will be perfect with rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.